I must start by thanking the investigation team from Counter-Terrorism Policing Northwest and the Crown Prosecution Service for helping to bring these extraordinarily dangerous terrorists to justice. I am grateful for the professionalism, commitment, and the sheer hard work of the investigation team. They were also well supported by specialist assets from Greater Manchester Police and beyond. They have meticulously delivered upon an operation of almost unprecedented complexity. Their work has ensured that the terrorists' vicious anti-Semitism did not manifest itself in the destructive fashion that they fully intended. It was clear throughout this trial that the scale of the offenders' hatred toward our Jewish community knew no bounds. They sought to bring slaughter to the innocent, but the outstanding dedication and commitment of our people ensured that this unequivocally could not happen. All too recently in Sydney, and of course here in Manchester in October, in the very week before this trial began, we have felt the devastation of terrorism directed toward our Jewish community. A terrorist attack upon our Jewish friends and neighbours is an attack upon us all and is an affront to every decent person in our country.